Is your iPhone keep asking for Apple ID password? Hey there everyone, welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide video will show you how you can solve the problem if your iPhone is actually keep asking for the password of your Apple ID. It's super easy, so let's get started with the video, guys. Well, so now to fix the problem, first thing first, go ahead and sign out and sign back in with your Apple ID. Open up the settings app from your iPhone or iPad and tap on this Apple ID at the very top. Scroll down, tap on sign out and go through the process. And once you have signed out your Apple ID, you just need to restart your device once. Just go ahead and tap on this virtual home button in device, more, and tap restart and tap on restart in order to restart your iPhone. And right after that, go ahead and sign back in with your Apple ID. If this process doesn't work for you, simply go and open up the settings app once again from your device and then scroll down and tap on screen time here. Scroll down, tap on content privacy restriction and make sure you have enabled this feature, and then scroll down to the bottom and here get the option called account. You just need to tap on this one, and if it's don't allow, you just need to select the allow from here and you're pretty much good to go. Just get back from here and take your issue. And let's say you did everything but you still have the same problem, then here's the last process that you guys can follow. Open up the settings app once again from your device and then scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update, and if you found any pending update, go ahead and update your iPhone to the latest version. And this might fix any software bugs or glitch that you have with your iOS version. But if you don't find an update, just get back from here, scroll down to the very bottom, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings and put your iPhone passcode and tap on reset all settings, but make sure this will reset all of your settings and it'll get back to the default, so you will lose your Wi-Fi password and other settings that you have customized. And once you do that, most likely the problem is going to be solved and your iPhone will stop asking for your Apple ID password. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.